If you're looking to do design challenges with your students, the best place to start is in the MyStemKits Design Challenge library. Now, I've filtered it right now to K-5 Basic to hit the youngest learners, but you can use the filters to find content relevant to your students. Now, another great way to bring design to your youngest students is to let them learn by exploring. So simply drop them into Tinkercad and let them play. So give them a challenge, maybe it's build a house or a keychain, or even introduce them to the scribble tool, where all they have to do is simply draw a picture and it will turn that image into a three-dimensional shape. So that's just a few of the ways you can simply bring design challenges to even your youngest students.